Hey, how's everyone doing? 408, 408 in Chicago. Um, all right, we got some earnings came out here. Chipotle, a little lower. Google was lower. Google's reversed. It's come back up now. All right, so get 198 now. We're going to be seeing Google at 200 by tomorrow. Google definitely better to the move on the upside. Tesla's right there, uh, right in line. We'll go through a couple of names here. We'll look at it. I wanted to make a point about this. DJI, the Dow Jones Industrial Average. I don't pull that up that often. Beautiful day up today. Okay, we're starting to we're finally starting to get there, guys. All right, so we're getting closer. All right, so nice 2 week up, nice two month up, and a beauty of a day today. Okay, and a nice 4 hour with the 4 hour up. All right, so see what happens. We'll pull up those diamonds. They're rallying here after the bell a little bit. What do we got? 450 and a quarter. All right, so we're searching for that 451.78 number, and then we can put this thing. Like I said, now we're just starting to pick up some steam on these diamonds. All right, so again, I talked about this earlier. Um, you know, getting some positions in here now, and with some of these stocks, with some of our retail, and we know what's good and we know what's bad. But I think right now the focus is on industrials. All right, so we're going to keep an eye on those because I think those are still the ones that are kind of lagging behind. All right, so there is your diamonds on the day, and Chipotle Mexican Grill. All right, you're getting this thing at a discount here from the overnight. From the earnings here. All right, so coming back inside. All right, a little irrational here, but got it all the way down to excuse me, 46.74. All right. All right, so trying to fight back a little bit here. Chipotle closed at 52.78. Let's see if we can try to get that thing back up rolling here. All right, Google. It sat down here for a while, and then they turned around and did some math on it, and they said, wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute. So I'm in Google, so this is good. All right. And we finished the day with the 212, but that's going to take up now. And here we go. Okay. Here we go. So the next stop right here is going to be 203.31. All right. So they're already cooling their jets here around 197. So we'll see. All right, we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see if Google can really keep it going there. All right, Mattel had earnings. They're a little lower here. All right, this was kind of a miss. 2020. There you go. And a little bit lower here, coming back down to 1932. That is still going to be inside day. It looks like they'll be taking day down somewhere into this area right around here, 32, 33. All right, so it looks like possibly there's a lot of overnight still to go, but could be taking the 3-2 down on the Mattel. Okay, Las Vegas Sands had good numbers. Las Vegas Sands, bam, 48.69 was the last sale. We're up at 51.80 now, gapper upper, depending on what they want to do with it over the overnight. All right, so moving up pretty nicely there, 51.80. That's bringing you all the way back up into this area right here on a gapper upper. All right, so on your monthly, 51.80. So we're coming up there. We're taking out that looks like we're going to go right to this guy right here at 51.98. All right, see if Las Vegas Sands can hit its target, because that would be the next target that you'd be looking for. All right, now semiconductor higher this morning. I keep thinking of it in the morning. 1023.21 here on Now Now Service Now. Doing much better here. Stock was down on the day, so but nice turnaround here, back up to 1023 right now inside 1023. So we're coming back up into this one, gapper upper. All right, still a lot of room to go on this thing. Okay, so we'll see there. All right, so there's your Now Semiconductor. CSX, not much to talk about. Rails were pretty much in line. 34.97. It's trading at 35.63. So it came down. Now it has gotten better here. All right, so today's highs were 35.34. So we're getting real close to trying to get back to today's highs on your CSX. A little better. We'll take a look at them again in the morning. IBM was kind of a miss. I mean, IBM miss. All right, pretty good miss too. All right, so IBM down, closed at 282. We're down to 266, coming into this range right in here. Going back to some of these dates here. What's that? That's going back to June 5th. June 5th, the last time we traded down there. All right, so IBM coming down on that news there. We do have some more earnings that will be coming out the rest of the week. We got a couple things coming out tomorrow. I wanted to make a point about those. Give me 1 second on that. Come on. Okay. All right. So tomorrow we got a couple things here. All right. Thursday, we got initial claims. We got continuing claims, more of the same there. We're going to have some manufacturing numbers, PMI. All right, so we'll keep an eye out for those numbers. And then we got more home builders coming back out. Now, they kind of fell apart today. They were really just flat all day. They didn't do too much. All right, so, and then we got natural gas tomorrow, too. So not too much on the horizon for the rest of this week. We got Powell next week. All right, so we'll keep an eye out for that. I really just wanted to go through some of these. Couple of ones that I'm in. Salesforce, man, I'm all over this thing. So what do we got here? We're CRM. All right, CRM. I just got in this today. This is the 2-2 back up. The reason I moved is because the month turned into a hammer coming back up. Now this thing was sitting heavy all month. All right, so this reverse right here kind of pushed this month up a little bit. So we'll see if we can keep it going. I got a nice 2-2 up in the week too. All right, nice 3-2-2 on the week coming back up there. All right, a little bit higher here this morning, right off the bat here right now too. All right, so we'll see that. Home Depot for sure. Home Depot trying to come back up. So Home Depot was a good day today. We're looking for a Home Depot to get some more continuation to the upside. All right, we'll see. SPYs and the futures are all up near the highs right now. Okay, so looks like that'll be the same situation coming in tomorrow. If you notice, I like these industrials. All right, now Triple M. I'm in Triple M, but I've been in there for a while, and so again, a kind of a failed day today. I'm looking for something to get better coming in tomorrow. We got a 3-1 coming in here. You got a week that is not helping the case at all, and a total shooter down on the month. Okay, so going to be something to change that, and that's going to be very tough to do, and we're getting closer to the end of the month as well. All right, so and we'll just look at that XLI in general. XLI, boom, 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 right? Rock and roll is still going here. I'd say more continuation to the upside, and and then we can see, right? We got a nice daily here. We got a real nice on the month. All right, so we're going to see what happens there. All right, so I'm going to kind of leave it there. I really wanted to get over these stocks that that we reported on to. There's another one that I'm in, Water Tower, WT. This thing just continues to go for me here. I haven't gotten stopped out. I got down somewhere around 11 and change in here somewhere. This thing just keeps making new highs, and then Oppenheimer put on a $15 price tag on this thing. So maybe that thing can go to $15. We'll see. All right, so I'll leave it there, and I'll talk to you in the morning. Everybody have a good evening, and be good.